Are you ready to manifest your dream home? Manifest your dream home now with the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. We're here every day to empower your life. Be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon. So you're looking to manifest that dream home, that special place that you're going to call home, that you've been dreaming about for a long time. Here's some powerful secrets on how to get the law of attraction activated to help you bring that dream home into your life. Number one is don't wait until you have the money. Start looking now. Start looking now. I have a friend, and many years ago, he began looking for his dream home long before he even had the money. I don't even think he had a job at the time, to be honest about it. Do you know he got into his dream home? He got into a beautiful 6-bedroom home with a beautiful backyard. It had a workshop back there. It had a patio. It was nice. He got in with no money down, and he didn't even have a job. I mean, things happen. Believe me, doors open. Yes, opportunities are available to you right now. There's all kinds of opportunities, so start looking now. The sooner you look, the sooner you kind of awaken the universe that you're ready to move. You're packed up and ready to go. And hey, that's another idea. If you have things that you're not using now and you're not going to use for a while or until you get into your new home, pack them up, get them sealed and labeled. Let the universe know that you're taking action, that you expect to be moving into your new dream home. Number two is have options. So some of your options might be like 5 bedrooms or 6, or perhaps a big backyard versus a small backyard with a pool. You know, whatever it is, the more options you have, the better. A big patio versus an enclosed patio. If you have options, you give yourself greater opportunities. In other words, as you're looking, you see a home that, well, okay, we were looking for a 5-bedroom home, but we found one that's 6-bedroom. It's 1 bedroom more than we need, but we're going to take it anyway because it's the one and we've got a good deal on it. And the door is opening to this place. This is our new dream home. And you'll find use for the additional room. One of the things that was important to me, I don't know that it's important anymore, but it was when we moved into our home, is many years ago when we first started the Law of Attraction podcast on Blog Talk Radio and on iTunes, I worked out of a loft, and I loved being in an open space, in an open loft. So having a home that had a beautiful loft was just ideal to me. It's what I wanted. It's what I desired. And I saw that loft. I saw myself. It just felt better than working in an enclosed environment. We found a place with a loft. And now we have a wonderful loft. We have a beautiful office. We have a library in our loft. It's absolutely perfect. Start looking now. Have options. Look for different options and different opportunities. And ask yourself, Hey, what happens if we maybe kick out this wall and turn this into a big playroom or whatever it is that you desire? Number 3, high flyers. Are you ready for it? Visualize yourself, your family, your children, your friends in your new dream home. Visualize yourself getting up for breakfast. What's it like in your new kitchen? What's it like working with those appliances that you've had installed? What's it like going out and having breakfast or coffee out on the back porch that's enclosed? And even though it's snowy out there and it's wintry, it's nice and warm where you're at, and you can sit and look at the view. What is it like to sit in your living room? Look around. Close your eyes and just look to the left and to the right and look at all the beautiful artwork that you've put up, or whatever it is that's important to you. The more you visualize on the details of your new home, what does it look like on the outside? Are you in a cul-de-sac? Are you a farmhouse? You know, the more clear you can make those visualizations, the more you send a powerful message to the universe of the options that you're open to and what you desire. What does it feel like to open your sliding glass door and walk out onto the beach? Oh yeah. You see, all of it's possible, and it's probable if you continue to follow these steps. Very, very important. Start looking now. Have options. Visualize, visualize, visualize. And number 4, focus on abundance. Abundance is so important, especially if you're going to upgrade your life with a bigger home, perhaps even a more expensive home, perhaps even a more expensive location. And you can do that by dropping your negative words, dropping your negative thoughts. When you catch yourself with a negative thought, simply say, cancel that thought and replace it with a positive thought. The more you focus on abundance, the more you begin to attract abundance energy into your life, including a new home and maybe, oh yeah, a new car to go with it. I don't know. That's up to you. Okay, but focus on abundance. Have positive energy around you, in your mind, everything you read, everything you listen to. Pull out that gratitude journal more often. Focus on abundance. Secret number 5 is use empowering affirmations. This is absolutely critical. And I think it's critical that if you have a partner, that you and your partner both sit down and write affirmations together so that your partner's affirmations and your affirmations are working in harmony. It's super powerful when both of you are on the same track. So I live in a beautiful, luxurious home. I feel good. Oh, I feel wonderful living in my dream home. I'm excited to live and play and entertain my friends and family in my new dream home. Those are just some simple affirmations that you can start with, but get in the habit of using those affirmations in your mind, in your thoughts, when you're doing your creative visualization, and in your language. And I didn't put this down, but here's kind of a bonus for you. Kind of put a time limit. Give it a reasonable time limit. I mean, don't make it tomorrow, but come up with a reasonable time limit and say, look, I expect to be in my new dream home by this date and circle it on the calendar or sooner. Now, I always shoot for the sooner. In other words, when I set a goal, if I set a goal, I always expect to do more than that goal. If I set a timeline, I always expect for it to happen before the timeline. Because I have those expectations, I almost always exceed my goals, and I almost always move faster than my timeline. So that's kind of a bonus for you. But listen, that new dream home is waiting for you. It's ready for you to move in. Enjoy your new dream home, and be certain and send me a letter when you find it and when you move in. Have a great day now, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.